will be here any minute. Get into position. Remember, do it just like you did in the alley. Only make it big and loud this time. And don't be nervous.
Nervous? What would I be nervous?
Kitty cat.
Well, running the soundstage, use of dollars art, costumes. I don't know, something smells fishy.
I beg your pardon.
Sorry, it's just that I smell a rat.
Excuse me?
Oh, never mind.
So, you decided to join us, huh?
Me? Oh, no. This is never gonna work. Besides, how did you arrange all of this?
Let's just say a little angel's looking out for us.
Oh, boy.
Come on, Sawyer. Your life isn't back there in that office. It's here.
It's 3 o'clock, Danny.
Dance with me. See you on board.
Well,
I can't do this.
and?
I can't do this.
So?
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Fortune says rough waters ahead.
Start the rain, Pudge. When LB shows up, we'll all come out singing and dancing. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I bring you the founder of Mammoth Pictures, Mr. L.B. Mammoth. And boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shak, boom shak, boom shak. Gee whiz, Mr. Mammoth, what's the secret of your success?
Simple. It's dimple. The recipe for a Darla Dimple movie. Begin with 1 part adorable character in Jeopardy.
Sorry. But into each life, a little rain must fall. Max, man the valve!
Yes, Miss Dimple. And 2 parts perky determination.
More water, Mac. More water.
Sprinkling an air of innocence.
Mac, we must have wind.
Stir in
More water.
and a pinch of
Thunder.
and an itty-bitty dash of mix it all together and what do you get?
Throw the anchor. Somebody throw the anchor. It's LB. Run. Pack up your troubles and your old kit bag and
Your life isn't that bad. The office, he says. Dance with me, he says. You know what your problem is? You're pushy, self-centered, pig-headed. No offense, sir.
I'm thinking.
Action. We're pushing, we're running.
And your driving stinks.
Oh, well, maybe you could do better. Well, go ahead.
No.
You take it. You take it.
No,
Don't do it.
No.
You think you know so much? Sawyer!
I don't want it.
Well, it doesn't get any worse than this. I was wrong. It's worse.
Oh my, this is an awkward moment. I don't think we formally met. I'm Tilly, Mr. Mammoth Cranston, Mr. Mammoth Flanagan, Cranston.
gone far enough. Just give me
Oh, no. You didn't want it before. Give it to me.
Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt or anything, but we're about to...
Will you just stay out of this?
Oh, sorry.
Like a man. Please, I'm telling you.
Good day, Miss Amanda.
You animals will never...
Nibble kibble in this town again.
I think they liked it.